estudyante?
Good morning.
Sabi niya po daw ay good morning. Ay, sure, maganda yung umaga natin lahat. Kasi po, nakapag-good morning na si Donald. Now, Donald, it's your turn. Since this is the subject of good manners and right conduct, kumustahin mo nga yung mga estudyante today? How they're doing?
Hello, how are you?
Ayan. Diba? When someone says, how are you? Ano yung i-reply natin? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Ayan, now, who are we here celebrating their birthday today? Ayan. Or maybe a month of February. Ayan. One. How about others? Isa lang po, dalawa. Ayan, very good. Si baby girl. And now, Donald, may papagawa ko sa'yo. Can you give a little shout out for our birthday celebrant today?
Happy birthday to you.
Sabi niya po daw ay, happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. But isa pa, one more Donald, one more.
Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. But hindi lang yung si Donald yung babati today. Here's Nigel. Ayan, Nigel here, he's a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now, ano yung gagawin ni Nigel today, Kuya Jeffrey? Sino din? Oh, sino dance. Susubukan natin. Okay, music, maestro. Ayan. Oh, Nigel. Ayan, paito dito. Okay. Oh. Okay, one more. Okay. Saka naman natin si Nigel. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, that's Nigel. Ayan, sabi niya po daw ay, boom, tarat-tarat. Okay? Thank you so much, Donald and Nigel. Ayan, dito sila katalino. And actually, our birds here are rescued and donated birds that we cannot release in the wild anymore. Some are rescued birds and donated birds that we cannot release in the wild anymore. Ayan, since the bell, nag-ring na po. Since the last time, let's bring out some food for Kapitan. Ayan, tignan natin kung kaya lilipad ni Kapitan today. Now, I want you to focus the attention at the right side of the amphitheater. Go, Kapitan! Para nahihiya lumipad ni Kapitan today. Baka kasi po sa
weather.
ayan. Oh!
Ayan.
Ayan. By the way, that's Kapitan. Alam, anyone can guess kung ano yung uri ng ibon si Kapitan? Eagle. Please repeat. A Philippine Hawk Eagle po. Ayan, that's Kapitan. And Kapitan here, ayan, Philippine Hawk Eagle or a raptor. By the way, what is raptors? Raptors are birds that eat meat, fish, rabbits, at iba pa. And actually, there are two types of raptors, diurnal and nocturnal raptors. So far po, si Kapitan ay isang uri ng diurnal raptor. So yung ibon nagising sa umaga. Diba? Katulad natin mga tao, meron din gising sa umaga at meron din gising sa gabi. Ayan, thank you so much, Kapitan. Say bye to Kapitan, everyone. And
Kapitan.
now, if we talk about two types of raptors, sino yung makapagbibigay ng halimbawa? Kung ano yung example ng nocturnal raptors o yung ibon na gising sa
Owl.
gabi. Ayan, very good. Or the birds that awake at night. Ayan, I want you to focus the attention the right side of the amphitheater.
Oh, yan.
Very good. By the way, this is Brian. And Brian here, he is a Philippine Eagle Owl. Ayan, hindi ba? That's Brian. And a little trivia about owls, have a silent lifestyle. Literally, hindi natin sila maririnig lumilipad. How much their flap their wings? Meron ba tayo narinig muna kay Brian?
Wala.
Okay, very good. But there are different types of owls. Like for example, Noah here, our next teacher bird. Ayan, that's Noah. And Noah here, he is a common grass owl. Now, my question is, since we talk about different types of diet, ano yung paboritong pagkain ng ating mga owls?
Mouse.
Ano yan? Very good. Rats and rodents. Actually, our owls, they are very beneficial to our farmers because they eat the pest to their farmland. And thank you so much, Brian and Noah. Palakpakan naman natin ang Brian.
Yay!